Okay, so when we come to our next project, it's really helpful if we have a style in mind of the type of animation that we want to do. This is helpful if we input this into our prompts, so ChatGPT can help us to develop a specific type of animation, and by having this particular style like DreamWorks or Studio Ghibli or something like that, then that sort of helps the overall AI process. So it may be worth you spending a little bit of time just going through various animation styles, thoughts, studios styles, for example, like say Disney or Pixar, something like that, and then we can use those in our prompts. Now I really like I've always liked sort of the Gorillas style of animation. It's very weird, sort of slightly hand-drawn, a little bit creepy. So I'm going to sort of focus a little bit on this, which is blinking. Okay, so what we want to do is come up to ChatGPT again, and remember our plugins that we have, the AIPRM plugin. So make sure that's inputted, and then just type in animation here, and then we'll come to this prompt here, which is Deforum prompt generator. Now we're not going to use Deforum in this particular tutorial because it's really complicated to install on your computer. So we're going to stay away from this, but it's quite a helpful prompt to use. So let's just click on there, and I've already written down a prompt here. So I'm just going to copy that, put that here, and show you what I've put. So give me a prompt for a music generated AI in the style of Blink Inc.'s Gorillas music videos that will generate scenes of 4 seconds each. Scenes will come together to tell a short story of a student, take that out, a student living in a university in Bristol, UK. That's where I'm based, so that's sort of why I'm focusing on in an urban, dark cyberpunk dystopia future. So I'm just going to copy that here as well. Okay, and let's see what this comes up with. Okay, so saying, please let me know how long you want the video to be in seconds. Now I just wanted, let's just do a 60 seconds. Let's just do a 1 minute and see what comes up. Okay, so we've got a story here which seems pretty good to me. A panoramic view of Bristol's futuristic urban landscape, towering neon-lit skyscrapers, bustling streets, flying vehicles, cyberpunk, etc. And it gives these sort of prompts here, which I'm sort of assuming this is to do with the program that this is particularly written for, that we're not going to be using, but we can use the prompts. Inside a dimly lit room, our protagonist, a student, is studying on a holographic desk, etc. So basically it's got this story about slightly car chase, conspiracy theory, that type of stuff. Now the next prompt that I want to use is, I wanted to put in put sound effects to each scene. What this will do, obviously, will add more details to the scenes, but also it will sort of dig down a little bit more detail. Okay, so we can sort of see like the first scene, which is like a panoramic view, if you remember, of the city, ambient city sounds, distant traffic, futuristic hum, technology, etc. Now, what we can do now is ask for music. So now add music style, idea, type to each scene. Okay, so it's kept in the sound effects, which is helpful. Style, cyberpunk, electronica, music idea, futuristic, background, ambient. Okay, so we sort of added these things that we can sort of use going forward if we need to.